Hello everyone, welcome back to All About SCM and Logistics channel. My name is Arvind Kumar. Today we'll cover a topic named as inventory management and we'll try understanding what is inventory management and we'll also discuss what are the benefits that any company can achieve through managing its inventory efficiently. So let's discuss about the definition first. Inventory management is continuously viewing the inflow and outflow of the inventory, or we can say the managing the inflow and outflow of the inventory. So, how can we efficiently manage our inflow and outflow of the inventory? When we listen to these terms, it is just two small terms, but this inflow and outflow involve many activities a company has to perform to manage. There are activities like receiving, there are activities like into receiving also we need to check that the SKU received is received in proper condition, and we need to count those SKUs effectively so that the physical count and the system count does not deviate. The few things that we need to keep in mind while receiving the goods and after receiving the put away. Put away means you already know the moving of the inventory from the dock area to the storage area. So these all the activities that are included in the inflow, and if we talk about outflow includes the picking and the movement of goods from storage area to the packing area, then packing of goods effectively, and then getting it ready to dispatch to the customer. So this is the whole process of inflow and outflow. In this whole process, we need to actually also check on that our inventory that is kept in our warehouse physically should actually match the system stock of the inventory. Let's look at the benefits. What benefits can a company achieve if they maintain this inventory management effectively and efficiently? So, first benefit is overcome risk of demand fluctuation. Of course, when if you are able to maintain the records of your inventory effectively, and you are also maintaining the sales and distribution knowledge of every SKU that is present in your warehouse, so you are somewhere able to predict the demand as well if you have this data in your hand. So somewhere if you are effectively managing your inventory in your warehouse, so that will also save you from demand fluctuation. Explain this to you with the help of an example. If we don't manage our inventory efficiently, so for example, there is a product kept that is damaged and it is kept on the shelf, and it is also recorded in the system stock as a fine product. So if a product is damaged, that has to be recorded as a damaged product only. If it is recorded as a fine product, then customer can order the product, and you will not be able to deliver the damaged product to the customer. So somewhere it is also hampering the customer satisfaction, and on the other hand, you are not able to fulfill the demand of the customer on time, and this will also impact your business as well. So second benefit is customer service. Of course, if you are managing your inventory effectively, you will be able to deliver this the best customer service, and you will be able to achieve the customer satisfaction as well. Third is benefit is produce economically. Yeah, of course, if you are having this data in your hand that what SKU is sold in which quantity in last 6 months, or you have your that big data in your hand, so you will be able to, like I said earlier as well, you will be able to predict the demand of any particular SKU. Suppose if I'm a manufacturer of a laptop and I know that a laptop is a particular model laptop sale is 1,000 laptops per month. I have this data in my hand. I'm just taking a random figure. So if I have this data in my hand, so I can predict for next month that I should produce 1,100, or even I can also produce 1,050. So I will not produce less than 1,000, because my earlier sales was already 1,000, and there could be a probability of increasing the sales in the next month. but I'll not produce definitely 1200, because I'll only increase my sales up to certain extent, and because that I'll able to do so because I have the data in my hand, or how much the inventory is sold in last previous months. So I will be able to produce effectively, economically, and I'll not produce the product in higher quantity, and that will also save my costing as well, and that will also save me from purchasing the extra raw material that I had to that I would be requiring to produce the some extra finished goods as well. So this will also cover the explanation of our fourth point, that is purchase economically. I'll not purchase the extra raw material if it is not required. So fifth benefit is cost saving. Yeah, cost saving. Of course, when I'll not produce much, and I'll not produce, I'll produce as per the demand of the customer. So somewhere it will not just save my production cost, it will also save my transportation cost as well. It will also save my warehousing cost as well. A company has have to pay every square feet cost, so that warehousing cost will also be saved if I look at it. And last but not the least benefit is production for unplanned incidents. Yeah, of course, suppose I may predict that my labor or the employees working in my factory or in my warehouse is not happy with the work they are doing. So every company, to overcome this risk, they actually produce the buffer stock so that they can save themselves as from these kind of strikes or the natural disasters. So, in cut short, if you talk about the overall benefits, which are the first and foremost, it will save your costing, and it will also improve your customer satisfaction. If customer satisfaction will be more, you will be able to achieve the more and more customers, and you will be able to generate more and more profit as well. So it is actually very beneficial for a company to manage its inventory effectively. That's all for today, and we'll meet you tomorrow in the next session. And if you have any suggestions, or you want me to make any video on any specific topic, you can always tell me with your comments. I'll be really happy to work on that as well. And with this, take very well care of you, and thank you very much. Thanks for watching.